How to withdraw money from eToro to bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw money from eToro to bank account. For this, you first of all want to open up any web browser and head over to eToro.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, from the left-hand side tab, you want to click on the withdraw funds option. Once you click on this option, you will have to fill up these details. So go ahead and select the amount that you would like to withdraw. Once you select that amount, the fee is also going to be shown over here, and the balance that is available to withdraw is also going to be shown over here. Here it says that by submitting this request to confirm, you have agreed the terms and conditions. So go ahead and click on the next option once you have typed in the amount. Now you get two options to withdraw. You can either withdraw it to eToro Money or you can also use a different method. Go ahead and click on the use a different method option. Now over here, you will have to add a new method. Here it says regular bank transfer. Go ahead and fill up all these information such as first name, middle name, last name, bank country, bank currency, and the IBAN number. Then you want to click on the submit option once you have entered all the details. Now it is going to ask you to review your payment information and ensure that it is correct. Go ahead and click on the option of confirm. Once that is done, your request will be submitted. And now you can check its status in the website itself. This can take up to 10 business days. And once the process has been completed, your money will be withdrawn to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.